Hey y'all, what's up? Slash Raptor 93 here, and today we're going to be looking into my Slash. Well, of course my Slash, but my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive that I got for $85. Let's see what it's in it. This body doesn't go to that truck. Hey, look, my team associated. Anyway, back to this. So, the Lineon system. VXL 3S motor and Lineon VXL 3S ESC. So this truck is already upgraded for me anyway. So how the heck am I going to do this? Bring it around to the front, I mean. Got it. Look at them skills. Come here. Turns out it was a atomic front bulkhead, not STRC or T or not Team Associated. Kind of sneeze. Give me a second. It's not STRC or the other one I said in the last video. It is a atomic. And there is a screw missing. Anyway, that's an easy fix. And it came with that remote. Yeah. So like I said, came with RPM front caster blocks. Did come with these. I'm trying to figure out why my steering is so screwed up in this thing real quick, and I'll put them back on. Process of elimination. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have more updates on this truck in the following future. Updates, might do a build series on it. Might make it into a Slash, or make it into a LCG truck like that one is over there. But we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys next time. Bye. God, I need to freaking sneeze.